Good morning, everybody. It is September the 17th, 2019. It is 8:15. Sorry, guys. There was a lot of earthquakes to go through. All right, here we go. All right. There was a 4.2 Hindu Kush region, Afghanistan. Both USGS and EMSC have it at 123.6 miles in depth. Both links description box. There was a 4.3 Barbar, Indonesia at 119.3 miles in depth. A 3.9 Southern Sumatra at 14.9 miles in depth. A 3.1 Bio Chile at 88.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 Tropicana, Chile at 26.1 mile in depth. 3.6 Catamarca, Argentina at 122.4 miles in depth. A 3.6 Mule, Chile at 29.2 miles in depth. Now this one the USGS does not have. EMSC is the only one that has it. There was a 4.2 the Gulf of California, 43 miles northeast of Rosalia, Mexico at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Patos, Bolivia. According to the EMSC, it was 121.7 miles in depth. According to the USGS, it was southern Bolivia at 39 miles west-southwest of Uyuni, and they had it at 119 miles in depth. Both links are in the description box. There was a 4.9 south of Fiji Islands. Both USGS and EMSC have it at 248.5 miles in depth. There was a 2.5 Utah, 8 miles east of Fairview at 3 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Census Russia region. That's CAUCASUS, Russia, at 71.4 miles in depth. A 4.2 Java, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 Western Iran at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Mayotte region, it's close to Madagascar, at 14.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 Oklahoma, 10 miles southeast of Cladwell. That came in at 3 miles in depth. A 3.9 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Dominican Republic at 14.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Dominican Republic at 14.2 miles in depth. A 4.4 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.2 Central Alaska, 28 miles southeast of North Nenana. I've got to have to pronounce it underneath that link, okay? At 7 miles in depth. A 2.5 Southern Yukon Territory, Canada. It was 104 miles west-northwest of Haynes Junction, at 1 mile in depth. And a 4.5 Naples, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. Wow. Okay? You see what I mean by a lot of earthquakes today. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys, you're just totally awesome. You know that? 2 thumbs up. Please be safe. God bless everybody.